Hello everyone. Are you able to hear me, see me? Please confirm in the chat box so that we can start the session. Am I audible clearly and visible? Okay, great. Thank you for the confirmation. So yes, I am good evening everyone. Welcome to the day 2. Today we will cover some of the part which was pending yesterday from the day 1, and we'll learn about lot of tools. So be ready with your notebooks and notepads and pen, and also make sure you are taking screenshots of the slides I have shared, because I have jotted down so many tools for different purposes. Okay. Okay, which new tools you guys studied yesterday or learned about new tools? Which tools you went and explored yesterday? Type that in the comment section. Which tools you explored yesterday? Anyone went or did any practical thing or anything that sort? I'm waiting for the comment section. Sora AI, how was the experience? Google AI, who? Canva AI, okay. Lovely. I'm happy to know you guys did good practical work. Lovely, lovely, guys. Okay, so today we'll have more tools, like it will be so many tools today. But before I jump to module 2, I'll focus on module day one's little bit of session which was pending. I'm just loading my presentations and then we can go ahead. I'm sharing my screen. Sora is of course amazing tool. Guys, more tools you will use and explore and do the trial and error methods, you will discover a lot of possibilities and things you can do using these tools, and it will actually help you to clarify your doubts with your clients. You will be able to deliver more solutions, and the more you will practice, you will understand about your own ability, that a lot you can do. Okay, so let's understand now how to build any omni-channel strategy, because yesterday we were talking about the omni-channel strategy. First of all, define your ICP. It means, I'm just increasing the size of the PPT. Use CRM analytics, surveys to understand your ideal customer. Sorry, ideal customer. Then create an interaction plan, that how will you touch point your target customers using different channels. Always create. So identify the customer touch point across the platform. Then customize the content as per platform using specific platform. Let's say you cannot create like a very descriptive content for Twitter, or if the content is not usually engaging, it is of no use for Instagram. So make sure your content is designed as per the platform you choose, where your users or targeted audience is already engaging. Automate the process. In the previous workshop I took with LetsUpgrade, we were learning about the automation of the process. You can go and check in YouTube It was a N8N workshop. So implement that. AI will help you here to deliver, to automate the tasks, to make things very easy and quick. Measure as per analytics and redefine the entire omni-channel strategy. Okay. So you can take a screenshot of this because this will help you to understand whenever you design any digital marketing strategy, please follow this process. Okay. So this is basically an omni-channel platform. I'm sorry. Because of I'm on medication, so I keep yawning. Please don't mind. User decision making cycle. Now this is a very, even if you use AI automation or anything, this is a very common process of user decision making cycle. So awareness comes, awareness, it starts from awareness, then user take it into the consideration, then decision is built, action is made, post purchase is done. Okay, now you can take a screenshot of it or you will find anywhere on Google as well. One second. Okay, now why this? Why this is important and it is basic in all the platform? Will I'll explain you using a digital marketing core example. If we are creating any of the campaign for the team. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Yeah, sorry. I just got something. So, yes. So we will take an example of how a customer makes an entire decision. Okay. So how does this work? Let's say we take an example of a product. Okay. I have the product in hand. And please don't think that I'm promoting the product, but I already have a product. Now, to make the awareness of a product, what happens? We need to understand what is the problem in the market. Now, this product is basically makhana. Okay, makhana is rich in calcium. It's rich in other things, and it is mixed with pink salt, pink Himalayan salt. Let's say. So, how does this thing work? Now, what will influencers, the company, see, company, it's like influencers, companies, and all the people around, what they do specifically, they start promoting the problems which Makhana can solve. So that sort of content floats. Okay. Now, after understanding, after gathering the information, people start to know about, oh, Makhana is rich in calcium. It's fist like any. It's a cholesterol free. It's a lot of things are there. It's a actual source of good protein. So people will start taking as a snack, evening snack. Like I also take as an evening snack with my tea or black coffee or anything I want. So that's how we all brand position in this way because people have started considering makhana as this kind of information. After that, they make a decision. Okay, this is great in calcium. This is great for women health. This is fast Shravan is going on. So it's good for fast. In fast also we can eat. There is no cholesterol. It's a very tasty and healthy snacking. So it's protein as well. So in that case, what people will do? they will actually pick up, you know, uh, buy it whenever they will understand, they are well educated about the product, they will understand and they'll take action and complete the process. Same way happens for any platform or anything. Now, how you want, let's say this is Makhana is a product, but Farmlay is a company. Okay. Now, if Farmlay wants more customers to buy their various products, what will they do? What would be their product recall? One, Makhana is a snack. So if people like the taste, they will buy it again. But as this thing really comes of really, it's expensive for a snack. Having a 10 rupees Balaji wafer, and this is like a 200 rupees almost, a dabba of like a tin of 200 rupees, like Pringles used to come. Now, why will people buy this? So they will provide a constant, they'll provide a constant discounts or constant things where people keep checking on their brands and discounts and keep purchasing. Now, here AI tools play also an important role. All the manual things can be automated, and other than that, the content can be created using AI. Okay. Now, funnel, the same thing. Inform and educate, compare and evaluate. This is what people, when before they buy any product, they focus majorly on these funnel things, customer journey. First they get information, we have to provide information. This is what the consider actions of customer. This is what we have to do. At first level, we need to inform and educate. Second, we have to show the comparison and analysis, and so that customer can actually make a proper decision. Third, convert and justify. Of course, I'll go with this brand. This brand is not that good. The cholesterol is high in this snacking. They don't use right kind of oil. The protein percentage is better. This kind of justifications everyone use. Okay. So this is retain and evangelize. Building loyal though engagement through engagement. Sorry, keep engaging with your customer. Now, just go see the page of Family, how they are engaging. Just check the Instagram. Okay. Now, for this, I'll explain which tool, which AI tools you can use specifically for what. Please take the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot. Okay. Now, which tech stack you should use for which, what purpose, to bring efficiency in your marketing flow. Jasper, Jasper really help for creating great content and quick ideation, great script, and executing that content really well. So it's an AI powered tool. It will really help you to generate great content. Yes, it's expensive, but if you are an agency level person or you really want to, excel your things in content, Jasper is a very good investment. I'm myself using it more than ChatGPT. Other than that, the next comes Surfer SEO. This is actually helping you. Okay, what is Google NLP? You need to understand this. Neuro-linguistic program, and then Google is the one thing, and Google's natural. Many of you get confused between NLP. What I know too. One is natural language processing, which is Google's natural processing language, which machine learning helps. And basically, you can see the definition. It helps to understand the intent of the search. Okay, so accordingly, things get logged in. You need to understand. Please search and read about it. It's really important for you to understand today, because today the marketing is more dependent upon the search rather than just going back to and fro, back and forth, using the old method of keyword. See, I'll tell you one thing. I was recently explaining something to someone, but that client didn't understand. How does marketing become a successful marketing campaign, or any strategy becomes a success? Any strategy becomes a success when you understand what your customer need. Now, there are 3 to 4 type of perception. One, let's say I'm a marketeer for a brand. Okay. Now, my perception would be I'll use this keyword, I'll do this, I'll do that, and this will be hit. Okay, that's one perception. Second perception. If at all, second perception is businessman, the owner of the company. What they do, I want my brand to be promoted this way only. I want it to be with this thing. You use this. Many a time, clients become expert in the case, and this is a because after no one knows how to really use AI tools. Using ChatGPT and other tools, people are actually misusing and exploiting marketers. To be very honest, they don't understand that all these things doesn't come from just using AI. AI ने हमें नहीं बनाया है, हमने AI को बनाया है। और आज अगर हम ही AI को यूज नहीं करते हैं तो AI का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, राइट? सो पॉइंट इज एंड आपको इफ यू नो AI functions on your inputs, not their input. AI doesn't give you input to function your life. You give functions to AI to like help you as an assistance you take. Now the point is here, I'll go back here. So Sulfur helps you to understand the intent based search and gather the real time intent of on page optimization using. Okay, any website is Sulfur really helps you. I'll just share. It helps you to do amazing SEO. It's a great SEO tool. It's a boost visibility in Google, ChatGPT, and beyond. Now, today I have a client. To be very honest, I'm taking this session from my client's office. Now, this client wants, you will find a lot of practical examples with me. So, now this client wants that I should get his name and things boosted in AI, in Meta AI, in ChatGPT, in Google. So how is it possible? Now, if you will not understand the intent of search person, like search query, what with what intent someone is searching, it will not help you. Okay. So what needs to be done? This tool will actually help you to do a proper intent-based SEO optimization. Okay. So now we'll go back here. Then it's Meta Ads Manager. Ads Manager really help you to do a proper segmentation of audience using AI. It helps you to generate good dashboard. It helps you to create a AI media studio as well. A lot can be helped. Then Hotjar. Hotjar actually helps you. It's a kind of a based on your heat maps and your user recording. For heat maps is basically how user is performing on your website or web page. Based on that, it suggests you the UX or user experience inputs. What can be changed? What can be updated? So Hotjar is that tool. GA4, event based tracking. It's not that event matlab Bacha ka concert. No, they're not that. Event based as in what action, what event you want people to take out on your page. You just add that event in Google Analytics. So add GA4, and then with that event based tracking system for understanding micro interactions, like complete how will you understand how people are interacting with the action you want people to take on your page? So that is important there. HubSpot CRM, I think it's one of the very self-explanatory and best CRM I've worked with so far. There are a lot of CRMs in the market, Indian or maybe international also, but HubSpot CRM is next level. I mean, it is very good. Now, expert layer. Expert layer is a middleware for smarter and integration, smarter integration and automation. So it helps you to integrate a lot of things, create a proper layer, and you can actually do a good automation using that tool. Now, how will you identify after all these tools? How will you identify what is working for you, what not? Okay. Now, hands-on activity. It was like you can take it, write a SEO blog using Jasper if you have it. Take a free trial of Jasper. Okay, write a SEO blog. Now, what needs to be maintained? Okay, make sure the introduction of the blog you give is has an intent. Now, this was yesterday's hands-on activity, but I'm covering it today quickly. What you can take a screenshot, try this today. Okay, we'll discuss this tomorrow. If you have doubts, you can discuss with me tomorrow. Try this today. How, what you have to do, uh, checklist. Make sure, right, when you write a thing, make sure you know, does your intro of the blog has an intent? If the tone is aligned with Gen Z or the target audience you are doing, are there keywords naturally included, or you have just studied a lot of keywords? Use Hemingway app or Grammarly to check the readability. Today, even ChatGPT helps you to check the readability, but I use Grammarly to check the readability. It's amazing tool. Okay. Now, Surfer SEO bonus. Paste into Surfer, the content score will get improved. Check top ranking competitors. Implement one NLP session live. That's okay. Goal. Learn prompt, editing, optimization all within 15 minutes. So when you will progress this, just focus that you do everything within 15 minutes so that AI will save your time. Now, why 15 minutes? Trust me, if you understand, people, content writers take a lot of time, and that's okay because they do a lot of manual work, research, and try to make a very good content piece. But AI tools can help you just to do that task within 15 to max 1 hour, 15 minutes to 1 hour. So why not to use AI? Okay. So here comes blog optimization. This was I created earlier. Now, what essentials we have for digital marketing? AI integration is very important. Your customer journey is very important. Keep your marketing stack. Stack means a bund of, cluster of tools, and it should be on the omnipresence. If you follow these four parameters for your digital marketing, trust me, the way it is coming, your content will appear here. Because today, no one, every information you get here with AI overview. Do you go and drag and check other things? No. So, whatever information coming here should be relevant, and it's your responsibility to use this essentials and make sure your content or your client's content or the business content comes here. Okay. Yeah. So, let's go on day two. Any questions so far? Yes, guys, I'm here. Any questions so far? Yes, and we have already done the workshop earlier. What questions do you have so far? Quickly. Is my voice clear to everyone? Yes, you will be able to crack internship, but only and only when you do practice. Without practice, I'm sorry, nothing can happen. To be very honest, I'll tell you a fact about myself. Because after this, the slide which I'll take, maximum of the topics you have to take screenshots and practice those tools. I'm giving you tools for every purpose. Okay. Now, I'll tell you about myself. When I started my journey, I was not knowing what is digital marketing, and like I was 17 years old, and I started doing SEO forum posting. You guys must be not aware about it. It is one of the practice we used to do specifically for doing digital marketing and SEO long back then in 2008 and 9. Okay. Now, in that process, what happened, I learned that this is not make I need to learn more, and I don't have any degree related to digital marketing. I'm not a marketing graduate. Also, a lot of people are having it and they underestimate you. But let me tell you, you can earn any job, you can earn any internship, and the person sitting here giving this entire lecture to you is a person who has studied everything by self. I haven't done any course, I have read everything myself. Now, point is, while learning everything, I got to know that you can only do great marketing by practicing it, not by just taking any crash course or anything. Crash course gives you a lot of clarity, lot of understanding. Let's Upgrade does a great job in that sense. But understand one thing, when you do a proper crash course and practice it, trust me, you won't take that much of time to be an expert, and of course it will help your income to get increased. Okay. I won't say it's compulsory, but today, in today's fast moving world, I think you should take a course and then practice for it. Do a good SEO when you, if you really want your business to get. Do a good content marketing, do a good SEO if you really want your business to get boosted and appear on Google. Even if your business page is just on Instagram, do a local listing and local SEO as well. You will, I'm like, there is nothing called SMO anymore now. Do a good content marketing, understand the intents, use your intelligence and logic, use the tools. Okay. Now still we are yet to begin the today's session. Let's, because I just covered up all the sessions right now. Yes, screen stopped because I'm starting a new session today. I mean, yesterday's session is just completed. Now the screen will be shared. This was day one completed. Now module two. Okay, here comes the new part. AI powered SEO and search engine generative experience strategy. Please keep taking screenshot of my slide. Now in this, what we will learn, okay. So basically, artificial intelligence first, AI first indexing. What is it? That Google prioritize the understanding based on user intent with BERT. What is BERT? Bidirectional encoder represents. I have kept all the full forms so that you are aware about. And MUMS, like multitasking unified model. Over keyword stuffing is not needed today. So please understand, like let's make it very simple for you. Please understand, AI first indexing is happening today in today's quick era, but what will help you there would be prioritizing the user intent over keyword stuffing using advanced AI tools. So Surfer is amazing tool which will help you to focus on this part. Okay. Then we understand the second point. SGE. SGE. Now, what is it? Search Generative Experience. I mean, influence. What is it? Let's understand. It impacts the traffic by summarizing user intent results. Now, everyone does a proper influencing. Why do they do influencing? Because influence helps people to get the curiosity, it is giving you the knowledge. So, based on that, people keep searching and the traffic increases. And if the user intention to search something is easy, we must focus on this important tool that AI driven boxes are directly impacting the traffic. Now, that's how the results get summarized based on the user intent, like what user is actually looking for. Multi-modal search. This we have studied earlier yesterday. It incorporates voice search, like or image search. Today, everyone is so fast, and even the phones are very much AI built that it helps you to do all kind of searches, voice search, image search, everything super fast. I mean, super fast. Okay. Then second thing comes rich SERP features. Now, what is it? Rich search engine results page. Okay. Now, what is it? Uh, Let me tell you something. Okay. Now, what is it? Tags. Why it is getting highlighted when I kept the these things are placed at many search engine or search places. Let's say Wipro. Okay. Now, can you see this section specifically careers, early careers, Wipro jobs, the Wipro about us, Wipro location, more about Wipro. Why it has been highlighted in this way? Google doesn't always do that. You don't, as a marketer, you will need to start thinking that why Wipro does this. Because I'm getting making it clear for you. Wipro people majorly go to Wipro not to find their service pages or solution. They don't need any service page and solutions from our end. They basically need good employees, good team. So that kind of pages are more majorly visited and checked. By the way, if someone was looking the internship, can try if Wipro have any digital marketing or content marketing internship or social media internship. They always have a job. So this is has been set by snippets. Okay. So you can read this feature snippets. People also ask who does this? How does it come? SEO. This is a part of SEO. Then video carousers and now are dominating the results. Okay, they don't have video carousers, but earlier, if you search for anything, generally video carousels come. Here, video carousels, a lot of playlists get appeared, or Instagram videos come, such kind of results. Now that is dominating currently. So what you need to understand that rich snippets, this features needs to be set very well because it helps you to define proper SEO structure and it comes in AI first indexing as well. EE80. Now, what is that? Experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. Tell me one thing. Have you seen anywhere in the slide keyword is written? The word keyword is written. Can you see it? No, right? Why? Because the game of SEO and digital marketing is completely changed now. More than keyword, users experience, what kind of expertise you are putting online, the reality, how authoritative and authentic information is there, whether people can trust the information or not, that kind of emphasis is being made. So, Google ranking priorities highlight content built by people with real expertise, especially in YMYL. What is it? Your money, your life niches. I mean, this is one of the niche. In healthcare, it does. In lot of now, I mean, I would say in most of the niches, Google ranking priority gets highlighted based on the content built by the people and real expertise, not by you know something, वो कहते हैं ना हिंदी में बनावटी चीजें, और if it's not authoritative or trustworthiness, do SEO as much as you want, you won't get that thing, because today people are extremely intelligent. Okay, yeah. Now stats and insight. Just a minute, guys. Thank you. Yeah, chai. If you know me, if you have attended my previous webinars or bootcamp, chai is important. But thankfully, in this world of AI, chai is not made by AI. It's still made by human. So, jokes apart, guys. Stat Insight, according to Spark Toro, we checked this tool yesterday. It really helps you. uh, 50 57%, I mean the percentage has increased now of the searches ends in zero clicks, because AI generated results are provided when the information is needed. Now tell me, your keywords will help, or your this things we studied is a change? Tell me so far about this slide, how SEO works in 2025. What do you think has changed? Tell me in the comment section quickly. I've stopped sharing the screen because I need to think. No, I'm not from TCS and I will never be in some big company. I'm building my own company, and I want you all to build something authentic of your own. Today, all the content creators, either they are vanishing, or either they are building their own companies based on their own authenticity. So let's say if right now after this session, I'll be very honest, I'm going and meeting. Okay, what happened? Why my screen is not shared? Are you able to see me? Okay, wait a second. Why my screen is not shared? Can you see me now? Anam, can you check? My camera is on, but why no one is able to see me on YouTube? Okay, okay, cool. I'm listening. So I'm saying you one thing. After this meeting, I am going. Yes, I haven't shared the screen yet. I'm talking to you guys. I have a meeting and I'm going to meet a client who has a dog's grooming products. Okay. Now, while having the dog's grooming product, I completely want my client's product not to be promoted. I want my client's product not to be promoted. It may sound weird because his end goal is that he needs sale, a lot of sales, a lot of orders. I haven't shared the screen, guys. I'm talking to you, sharing a live case study. After the 8 o'clock, the session will be over at 8:30. I have a meeting and I'm meeting a client, and today I'm going to build his ethos, his custom core branding, his relationship with his pets, his relationship with the product. So why I'm building this? I have to sell the product, but I'm building all these things because today people would be more interested to understand the founders, their ethos, their core, their relationship with their product, their relationship with, let's say, it's pet, or their relationship with people. Today, I have a client. I've just finished shoot before this session. That client is a doctor. Now, her relationship with people, her reels won't help anyone, but her relationship with the people, how she's helping people, how she's guiding people, all those things will be considered. And if the thing is authentic, then only I can build a brand and bring, lot of brand engagements, brand recall, a good set of community and people for her brand. We haven't launched her brand yet. We are working on it, but she's connecting now with the audience. So unless and until the founder of the brand is not talking to the targeted audience or building a good community, there is no way you can identify what is the intent of the people or what people really wants, because it's a very deceptive thing. Yeah, true. So let's get back to the tools part again. I'm sharing my screen again here. I hope you all are able to see my screen. Now, AI tools for SEO strategy and content creation. See, majorly, you can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Specifically, if you really don't want to make it too complicated, use ChatGPT, but ChatGPT, train your ChatGPT. Like today, I don't want to do a lot of work on prompting. My ChatGPT is trained, so it helps every moment to me to generate right kind of content for my client. Okay, now full a funnel, Jasper will help you to create every part of the funnel. And I mean, funnel, you know how to create a funnel. That brain you can use, but Jasper will help you to create a very good content for every section of the funnel. So that will help you. After that, ChatGPT will help you with the planning and strategy. And even you don't know anything, ChatGPT will help you and first guide you. The only important tip I'll give you here, make sure you are doing a proper, thorough reading and understanding. Don't just use AI's brain, use your brain as well while planning. Let's say, I'll tell you a very funny example. I had to give a presentation and I was having zero time. I asked one of my team member to write down, to create a quick presentation and share it with the client. And using AI tool is a pride today, not the chat GPT use karke banaya. The people who say they are stupid. They don't understand. AI is made to be used, not to be wasted. So she used chat GPT and she created the entire presentation. Presentation was amazing, but the only brain she didn't apply that the calculations, the estimations, the number of the things she kept in dollar instead of INR. That's where client was really disappointed. Then I had to cover up things in a different way, but that's what I'm saying. ChatGPT will help you with the way you want help, but don't stop using brain, your own brain. All right. Then copy.ai or writer. You can see the spelling is different. Writer. Now that will help you to generate amazing multilingual content. India is a country where you just cannot create content in one thing. You will have to create multiple kind of a content. Okay. So make sure you use these tools for creating content. Okay, these are the set of new tools for you guys. So Surfer SEO is for the page SEO, on page SEO content and scoring, and Google's natural processing language suggestions as in intent based things. Phrase.io. It will help you to find a proper competitive brief, competitor suggestion, comparison, or question mining, like what questions competitors are doing. Like I would say if you're going, like I'm going on an interview meeting with a client, what kind of interview? I want to create a campaign for client and I need quick questions that I should be asking and based on the competitive behavior. What will I do next? And what will I do next? What I'll do, I've done while going from here in my cab. I just use the phrase IO and I quickly get all the things. Market news. Gap analysis is something we always avoid. We do SWOT analysis, we do Google Analytics, but how many of you actually do a proper market gap analysis? When you understand the gapping and whether the brand is authoritative or how it's functioning for the people, if you forget to you understand those parts, trust me, you lack in the strategy. So market news is one of that platform where you do a proper gap analysis and understand the topic which you are catering and targeting the right audience. You will understand whether it is right or wrong. Writer's Zen is a keyword explorer and clustering strategy. Okay, now for creating a good content, you need a good tool where you can actually do a proper keyword mapping, getting proper strategy based on how people are searching. So, WriterZen is one of the amazing tool. It will help you. Next is Clear Scope. Now, Clear Scope is one of the semantic enhancement for the readability. Now, what is it? For readability. Many times you become so creative while writing, or you become, I would say, instead of using the word creative, I would say you become so complicated while you complicate these things that user is not actually looking for it. This happens with a lot of writers, and especially when founders think, okay, I'll give you the example. Recently, I was working with a teen on a YouTube channel. Now, in the today, her parents were asking to create a content in Hindi about how to make a CV, how to make a resume. Now, even if in the rural area or the Hindi medium students, I believe they also use ChatGPT, Google AI, and voice search. And everyone knows today CVs and everything while applying the jobs, it all is getting scanned by AI tools. So ATS generated CVs are thicker. In the era of ATS generated CVs and AI, and still the voice, the multimodal search thing is happening. Still her parents wanted to create this kind of a content. Now, do you guys tell me in the comment section. I really want to understand how many of you would really, ATS generated, apart from the thing I'm saying, how many of you will go in a Google and really try to get the, such kind of a content? Will search for something of this sort because it is important, right? How many of you will how to make CV, how to make this kind of things you will go. CV templates are ready in Canva. Everything is ready. Will you really go and search for some content and check the YouTube video and then create your CV? Tell me honestly. Tell me in the comment section. Will you go and search something which is outdated? It technology versus medium, whether it's Marathi medium, English medium, Gujarati medium, Hindi medium, or any medium, have to do nothing with the growing technology. I would say rural area people or urban area people. Technology has crossed all the boundaries and crashed all the limitations. I salute to the technology that even in someone, I won't say the name, a lot of people in the rural area, they work so good, they work so hard. It is regardless of which medium they have studied, they are so good in coding. They do such a great work. Even kids in the urban have no that kind of intelligence because of their hard work and dedication. So I would say technology has even broken all the barriers. Today, the way you have no idea, people using ChatGPT or simple Google voice search from some village has created a lot of great content and earning more than someone sitting in Bombay and doing taking a studio and doing a lot of things. So technology, exactly. See, I have the answer. So technology has actually broken all the barriers. It's all about the intent. Even if sitting in Bombay, or even if someone sitting in a small village in Gujarat can compete today, because we have the weapon called technology. So that's what I'm saying. The semantic search enhancement for the readability. Now, this is ClearScope helps you to make your content so authentic that it helps to rank quickly in Google. So relevant, but the catch is you should understand that you don't give a outdated content which people are actually not searching for it. Then don't blame AI tools that it's not helping. Okay, no tool will help you if your content, if your idea, if your intent is not clear. It's a ground rule. Technology is your assistance. Don't you become the assistance of technology. Don't you become the dependency. Don't use your intelligence. When human intervention, human intelligence, and artificial intelligence join hands, then only something happens. Okay. Now the next thing comes ink editor. Ink editor is again for SEO. It detects AI detection is there. Again, it helps in the readability. Then I would say Grammarly Business. Now Grammarly Business is amazing tool. It helps you to form your sentences even in a better way than ChatGPT does or any Jasper or any does. It sets a good tone. It collaborates. Also, a very good feature which no one talk about. Grammarly helps you to check whether your content is copied or not. What percentage? Because I have personally used it, I know this. If you have created some content using AI, now, after that, are you sure that that content is not copied and authentic? No. How will you do that? Which is not here. I use Copyscape, plagiarism check. You can note it down. Copyscape, plagiarism check, and also the Grammarly business tool I use many a times because it helps me to identify the source of copied content or the source of the content which has been taken from different websites. Then Grammarly itself used me to nullify the score of copied content and help me to reframe it in a better way. Of course, you have to use your brain there. But if you're generating content through AI, don't be a fool. Make sure your content is right. It has a value, but it's not copied. Copied content, sometimes some ratio you can use where it's a source or it's something where you need to just answer. So such things can come. Okay. Now we'll understand the utility part of it. Build a programmatic landing page. Use Dora. Okay. Use Dora, Wix, or any platform. Build a landing page for e-commerce platform. Use Jasper and Suffer. This is a thing. Just use Jasper for the content creation and Suffer for creating the SEO content. Okay. Now, one second. Yeah. Second thing, research high performance. FAQs. Okay, now this is one of only marketers understand. Most of you don't understand this thing. What happens? FAQs are the one of the important part in any of the industry. If FAQs are not the part of your website, it is not going to help you. Make sure FAQs are there because it is a intent based pure keyword content. Why FAQs are important? Let's say I'll talk about, okay, Wipro was there, right? Now these are people also ask. These are the FAQs. What does Wipro exactly do? Is it big four? These are the questions. And in many of the brands, here there are FAQs written. The more questions and FAQs you will add to your to your landing page or anywhere, and if it's landing page, you're planning for any one page or website, don't miss the FAQs part. Use FAQ page schema, put proper relevant keyword oriented FAQs, and see the magic. Okay. Run domain wide topic scoring by market news to identify the blind spot. Now, this is very important. Domain wise is not that URL domain. Domain wise is subject. Let's say you're doing something in the wellness industry or you're doing something in the real estate industry. You have to identify the blind spot that using market news because it helps you to do the gap analysis in the market. Make sure what you are missing should be found. If you are not able to understand what is missing, how will you create a content which will be helpful to your target audience? Because there is lot of content. You need to identify what is not there and what is really useful. So try to identify the blind spots. Okay. Cluster 100 plus keywords in minutes using Writer Zen and turn them into a pillar content map. Okay, now this is a very good tool, Writer Zen. Please, guys, just note it down. Writer Zen basically identify a lot of content and then help you to build a complete map how you can utilize this content for building a proper SEO structure. And these keywords are not just fragmented keywords. These keywords are the actual wordings and the kind of terms you should be using for building your content, whether it's for email or a landing page or a blog or a script for anything or a transcript. I would say it is extremely important when it comes to building a proper content map. Okay, now let's understand the content engineering and search optimization. Okay, why? Okay, before getting into it, I would like to ask all of you, why do you think content engineering is important? Tell me in the comment section. What is content engineering and why it is important? Why content engineering is important? And what according to you is content engineering? If I'll do the hands-on project, the entire session will happen within that. That is the reason you are learning all the platforms first so that you can do the hands-on thing. I'll try to keep major hands-on thing in tomorrow's session, day 3. But first of all, understanding the base and how to build the pillars using what tools for the our digital content is important. What is content engineering according to you? Please write down in the comment section. I would just want to understand your mind frame accordingly. Okay, that's correct. Yes. See, yeah, engineering is basically like we do for, yes, not content optimization. Content optimization is different. Content engineering is different. Content is king. Correct. That's great. And whatever you said, Webber, the Dwali Bro, and all of you have absolutely correct. We have to make a very structured content which will actually people are searching for it and can develop really well. So let's get into the content engineering part. I'm sharing my screen. Just give me a moment, please. Now, topic clustering. Organize pages around main pillar pages to improve the internal linking and content depth. See, structuring content is fine, but just putting one content and then not optimizing it, not promoting it doesn't make sense. Publishing is not just content marketing. It should get organized with different supporting pages. Let's say I'll give you an example, very simple example. Um, in my website, I sell social media marketing services. Let's say, okay. Now, what I'll do every week, I'll publish one video of social media marketing. Okay, something of some industry or maybe the case study, but it is talking specifically about the social media marketing. Apart from that, what I'll do next would be building a blog, like a perfect blog where a proper case study has been shared. Then I'll create a proper white page, proper content. All this will be having linked to the main service page, but it will have different pages. I will create a web of content around one service. So everywhere I'm going to put the main landing page. I'll do a good link. Internal linking will happen. And that's how Google will understand, okay, this is the relevancy of the page. Let's say if someone is searching for anything, any of this content page comes into the result, I'll get the benefit. So topic clustering is very important where we organize the pages. Semantic SEO. Build a content which is NLP term based term in titles and use intent keywords. Very important part which I've already explained earlier. Second, templates for efficiency. Create a reusable outlines that enhance the scale and maintain UX experience and consistency. Now I'll tell you what. Whenever you use AI tools, it will give you variant results. But let's say I have a client, I'm taking care of her YouTube channel. I have made sure the title structure, the transcript, the timestamps, the specific descriptions, it all will be in one alignment. It will not go out of the structure I have set. So template setting is very important so that a proper recall, a proper structure is maintained and a UX user experience is consistent, not something sometimes some format is published. That is one of the biggest example I would say. People create grids on Instagrams. The real thumbnails are similar, that sort of thing. Okay, schema usage. Now apply this JavaScript like JSON LD linked to the data, which is product, article, event, review, how to guides, FAQ pages, or for enhanced search. Now, this is something you have to do in a backend, but it's extremely usable, extremely beneficial. Don't forget this part. So, you are actually putting all the content web into a proper structure where it will help you to enhancing the results. Okay, visual search optimization, image placement, file name. When you upload any image, make sure the image file name is also proper. It is very important. Put the brand name, put a proper structure. Let's say, uh, I would say SEO, search engine optimization in 2025, hyphen company name, hyphen city name. You have to put the structure of the files name, very important. Context placement for AI relevance, and relevance, sorry. context of the subject should be very intact. It should not be haywire. Okay. UX best practices, interactive accordions, then progressive loading, clear CTA flow, mobile first formats. So basically, people today, however, people are more comfortable with mobile based websites, mobile based applications. So it should be more interactive, on not just laptop friendly, because most of the people still like earning lakhs using mobile. So make sure that is there. The UX practice should be aligned. Now that's a content engineering. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this as well. So the structure will be very concise and helpful. Okay. Now what will we do? Logic plus layering. Now Google gives more importance to the topic depth and also semantic relationships between the pieces of content. Okay. I mean, it's all about the logic you put behind the topics you search, because you think that this topic is perfect, but your target user is not searching for it. So Google will, that's a mismatch. Or if you really want to create a, what is the meaning of PepsiCo? Let's say, let's talk about PepsiCo doesn't have any meaning. Apple, yes, it does have a meaning. It's a, of apple fruit. Same way, Google doesn't have any meaning. Pixabay, it doesn't have any meaning. So, whenever you try to create anything new in market, you have to make sure you have to build relationships in terms of the language you're speaking or online. Okay. For example, Nika. What is the meaning of Nika? Nothing. Nika used SEO, content clusters has been done around skincare terms and jumped like 300% organic traffic within 6 months. It's you can check the Nika SEO strategy. It's published by Semrush case study. Okay. A coaching institute scaled 45 city wise page. They used just Jasper and Surfer for digital marketing course in the city model. You can you can try that. They have done such way, but I'm not just highlighting the name of it. I personally know about it. So just spending money on paid marketing, performance marketing won't help. Content layering, topic depth, semantic relationships, content engineering, content optimization, understanding all these things is extremely important. Okay. Now let's understand. Please take screenshot of these things. Technical SEO and multi-model search. Content optimization pillar. Now core web vitals. Earlier it wasn't that much. LCP, which is largest contentful paint. I mean the content, it should be fast loaded. What should be the metrics? It should be two. Okay, I'm giving you a website. You can use that. Please note down this website. I'm giving you in the chat box. This will really help you for a lot of things what I'm trying to explain, and it's easy and visible. Okay, please check this website. I'll ask the team as well to provide this. Please share this website. Okay, this website will help you to identify a quick search on SEO, any which ways, which will make your things extremely easy. Now, FID, first input delays, should be, the fast load should be less than like it should be 2.5 seconds. Then it should be the first input delays should be 100 ms. Quick interaction. Then the CLS cumulative layout shift should be this. Why these core vitals are important to maintain? Because it is technical things and it will help. You need to understand your, based on your content, based on your all the work you do, but you're not achieving this kind of core web vitals, it means something is wrong. This is as per the latest thing. These are the metrics. Okay. Crawl and index health. Robots.txt validation is must. Sitemap, XLM sitemap optimization is extremely. Canonicalization and duplicate handling is important, very important. Please take a screenshot. These things are extremely important because if you have learned SEO or you will be learning SEO, this is extremely important part of technical SEO terms. Next, multimodal search consideration. Voice search optimize for a long tail keyword, question based phrases. Use maximum question based phrases because हम Google से यही पूछते हैं. Okay, what is the color of apple? Simple, stupid question, I know, but that sort of. Okay, tell me the best real estate agencies in Ahmedabad. Okay, tell me the best home decor companies or interior companies in Ahmedabad. This way. So voice search does this way. It's majorly long tail keywords and question based phrases. Implement structured data for question and answers. Very extremely important. If you really want to scale in voice search, make sure these two tips you follow. Visual. How does the what you need to focus more when it comes to visual and video search? Add video schema, clip markup, timestamps. This will really help you. Use YouTube chapters, keyword rich tags, and CTA overlays. Alt tag, text, open graph, and Twitter cards will definitely help you. So these are the technical things you need to follow. Okay. Accessibility of the SEO. ARIA. ARIA is basically accessible rich internet application labels, descriptive alt, mobile usability. All these labels are important. Basically, this platform gives you chance to add lot of things based on the category of your page, based on the category of your business. Make sure you read it carefully and add it. No institute will teach you, no expert will teach you anything. You need to understand peacefully. You need to be patient with technology. You need to learn that gradually. You have to do a lot of trial and error. So compliance with web content accessibility for accessibility boost both UX and rankings. Now, make sure your content have usability like compliance. It is compliance accessibility guidelines. Don't miss out. If something is not authentic and you cannot use, just make sure um, it's clearly taken care of. So advanced tools, please note down this tool. You can take a screenshot of it. Screaming Frog, SEO Spider, which helps you to audit the broken links, redirection, and meta issues, meta description and meta tags issues. Then HRR, Ahrefs, SEMrush site audit, weekly error reporting, technical fixes, trend visualization. This will help you. See, I'm again saying tools will help you to boost your performance, but tools, more than tools, use your brain. Okay. Google Lighthouse SEO is for SEO accessibility and progressive web application analysis. This will really help you again. Lighthouse is amazing tool. I would suggest please try that. Page speed insights and GT metrics I'm using since this like ages. These are very good tools, help you to diagnose and improve based on they give you good suggestions to update the page. Web page test actually test how your page is working in real life. Now basically just do one thing. Take any kind of a D2C brand, let's say. There, it was a fashion. It improved its LCP by 2 seconds, CVR conversion rate by 40 seconds. But just doing technical SEO properly also creates a vast difference in terms of performance. Okay, so technical SEO should be focused. So you can take a screenshot of this again if you really want. These are the quick hacks I'm giving to you guys. Which tools to be focused for what kind of strategy. Okay, let's go. Now comes the last part of day 2. Let's do a capstone activity. I'm giving you you can take any like a good furniture brand in Gujarat, like it's a big good cake shop in Mumbai, or any, take your city, take one business or brand, uh, create a mini SEO plan. Step one, use ChatGPT to generate a content briefs and FAQs. Use Writer Gen Z to actually you know uh, get all the keyword maps so that you can focus on creating the plan. Outline and write a homepage. Make a complete website, one pager website or a blog using Jasper. Optimize using Sulfur SEO and apply FAQ schema. Create FAQs and apply FAQ schema. Then check the speed using Lighthouse. Use this tool. Take a screenshot of this, please. Use this tool and do this capstone activity, end-to-end SEO execution. Uh, Optional if you, right now we cannot do it live, but this is a homework for today. This is the activity for today. Then we will discuss what was the outcome tomorrow before starting the day 3 session. Okay. I hope everyone has taken the screenshot of this activity. Still, I will share this in the comment section. I don't know what is it. I'm sharing it with team. 1 second. Please share this project with team. Yeah, so that was day 1. So that was day 1. How was it? What did you learn? How useful it is for you? Type down in the comment section so I can take care of it. This is not related to Meta ads and Google ads. This is digital marketing with AI. What tools to be used? YouTube, TubeBuddy. For YouTube, I'll ask you to go for Tube Ranker and TubeBuddy. These two tools. TubeBuddy is amazing for content creators. So, all right. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much for the feedback. I'm looking forward to get this feedback on LinkedIn as well. Once you achieve, please mark your attendance, um, because that will help you to claim the certification. Okay. Yes, we can do through AI, but this session is more about tools. Next, we will do the practical tomorrow. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please do the Capstone project, which has been shared with you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.